Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Let me share with you a truism, and that is that most Australians live paycheck to paycheck. It's true, it's bad, it's something that needs to change. I think a lot of us Aussies and Kiwis, they just don't have enough money. They're not making enough money, and you got to get your money right, guys. You seriously do. Either start a business, whether it's Amazon, whether it's importing, whether it's something else, right? You've got to create cash flow. And whether you do investing in real estate or you do other things, but you've got to get your money right. Like, you've really got to get a hold on this for your family's sake, not just for your own sake, but for your family's sake and for your future's sake of being able to pass something down. Because I think a lot of Aussies, they just don't get their money right. They just don't sort it out. And most Aussies, okay, if a medical emergency came up, they would be in hot water. They wouldn't be able to afford it. They would have to borrow the money or put it on their credit card or go to friends and family or do what we call those GoFundMe things, right? Like most people, most Australians just don't have the money, and that's sad, right? So you need to get your money right. You need to get your money sorted, all right? So whether that's, like I said, starting a business, whether you're selling on Amazon, right? You have to do something. Right? If you don't do anything, nothing will change. You got to get from point A to point B, from nothing to change, right? You got to be doing something. So guys, hopefully this video is supposed to be a bit of a wake-up call. My name's Alex Ryan, guys. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you soon.